capeville clearance, good morning, KLM 749er, 7 ready for pushback at Charlie 4. Cleared for pushback, KLM 749er 7. Capeville ground, KLM 749er 7 ready to taxi. Taxi to 17 right, KLM 749er 7. Capeville clearance, good morning, Southwest 2983 ready for pushback at Alpha 3. Cleared to land on 17 left, KLM 3040. Taxi to 17 right, Southwest 2983. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right, KLM 749er 7. Capeville ground, KLM 3040 taxi to the gates. Taxi to gate Charlie 4, KLM 3040. Capeville Tower, KLM 3040 request to cross runway. Capeville Tower, good morning, Oman Air 87906 is on final for 17 left. Cleared to land on 17 left, Oman Air 87906. Hold position, KLM 3040. Taxi to 17 right, KLM 90609er. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right, Southwest 2983. Continue taxi, KLM 3040. Taxi to gate Alpha 3, Oman Air 87906. Capeville Tower, KLM 90609er ready for takeoff on 17 right. Continue taxi, Oman Air 87906. Cleared for pushback, Qatari 1875. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right, KLM 90609er. Continue taxi, Oman Air 87906. Taxi to 17 right, Qatari 1875. Capeville Tower, Qatari 1875 ready for takeoff on 17 right. Capeville Tower, good morning, Qatari 4282 is on final for 17 left. Cleared to land on 17 left, Qatari 4282. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right, Qatari 1875. Taxi to 17 right to Air 5041. Capeville ground, Qatari 4282 taxi to the gates. Taxi to gate Bravo 1, Qatari 4282. Capeville Tower, to Air 5041 ready for takeoff on 17 right. Line up and wait on 17 right to Air 5041. Cleared for pushback Etihad 37907. Continue taxi Qatari 4282. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right to Air 5041. Capeville ground, Etihad 37907 ready to taxi. Taxi to 17 right Etihad 37907. Capeville Tower, good morning. New Zealand 6108 is on final for 17 left. Cleared to land on 17 left, New Zealand 6108. Capeville clearance, good morning. Korean 8283 ready for pushback at Bravo 5. Cleared for pushback Korean 8283. Capeville Tower, Etihad 37907 ready for takeoff on 17 right. Capeville ground, New Zealand 6108 taxi to the gates. Capeville ground, Korean 8283 ready to taxi. Cleared to land on 17 left Aeroflot 7574. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right Etihad 37907. Taxi to gate Bravo 2 New Zealand 6108. Cleared for takeoff on 17 right Korean 8283. Capeville ground, yellow cab 4109 ready to taxi. Capeville ground, Aeroflot 7574 taxi to the gates. Taxi to 17 right yellow cab 4109. Continue taxi Aeroflot 7574.